Yeah, hey, what's up? Just walking in the streets of Tokyo when I look at this favorite herb of mine called fish mint. Grows like a weed. Literally seen as a weed to Japanese people. No one touches it. Maybe it's too strong. I don't know. Everywhere back there. Fish mint is extremely high in antioxidants, polyphenols, flavonoids. It's got a ton of potassium. It's got a ton of iron. It's got a lot of vitamin C, vitamin B1, B2. And it's everywhere. You can't go anywhere without seeing it, and no one touches it. So I love it. Endless supply. Fish mint here. Fish mint there. Fish mint everywhere. Literally. Doomsday hits, zombie apocalypse. People will starve to death here. And all this stuff is just lying around. It's actually got 1 to 2 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's got a lot of good stuff in it. Carbohydrates keep you alive. Thanks for watching.